Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Naturallyads here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video, I'm planning for the week beginning February 6th to the 12th, 2023 in my memory planner using this, I think it's October 2022 mystery from SBC. It might be in November, but I'm pretty sure it's October. And I paired it with, I think this was the foil bundle that it came with also. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. So I'm just going to let you guys watch me lay down my base to some music, and I'll be back for the day by day. Enjoy. Okay, so that's the base done. Let's get into the day by day. So starting with the sidebar, I use this balloon icon from the doodle sheet to note that this was the first day I made my own scripts and it was like successful, as you can see. So I marked that my sidebar. Of course, I ripped part of the star off. And then moved into the day by day. So Monday, I noted that my husband was working from home. I used this book icon from the doodle sheet and a script from Make Plans to note that. I decided that if I couldn't find, so before I get into it, the color blocking is going to be super off for this kit because when I was color blocking, I knew that I started with blue, but I forgot the blue was in the sidebar, so I used the wrong color. So the color blocking is going to be off, but it's fine. The actual stickers that I used are fine. It's just the icons that I chose were not perfect. But anyways, first I noted working from home with this book stack from the doodle sheet and the script from Make Plans. I then noted sleeping in with this sleeping mask icon from the foil bundle and a sleeping script from Make Plans. I then noted cuddling Malik with this sticker from we were cuddling in bed, which is why I used the sticker from Papershire and a cuddle script from SBC. In the extender, I noted having some breakfast with this toast sticker from Planner Face. Then I would have my morning tea with this icon from the foil bundle. Then noted watches with Grey's Anatomy with the stethoscope icon also from the foil bundle, and then a Grey's Anatomy script from Carly Plans. I noted some playtime with this icon from OK Plans. Then I noted that Malik was being super grumpy with this Benita's Creation sticker of a baby crying with a mum holding them. I then used this OK Plans baby feet to note that he did not sleep and had a bad night, and I used a slept like script from Carly Plans to note that. I then noted being annoyed at my husband with a wherever munching from What's My Love to note that. Moving on to Tuesday. So at the top of Tuesday, I noted my husband being in the office with a laptop icon from the doodle sheet and a script from Make Plans. Then noted that we slept in again, we being me and Malik, with this bed icon from the foil bundle and a sleeping script from Make Plans. Then noted cuddling in bed with another sticker from Benita's Creation and a cuddle with Malik custom script from Plans. Into the extender, I noted more Grey's Anatomy with the Sweet Ava's Paper Doctor sticker and a Grey's Anatomy script from Carly Plans. I then noted that Malik was trying to wink at me with another baby with Love House icon from OK Plans. I noted that he had some cuddle time with his dad when he got back with this Make Plans sticker and a Daddy Cuddles custom script from Adorably Me Designs. Then noted we ordered takeout with this cutlery icon from the foil bundle and a takeout script from Planner Hannah. Next, I noted a Plan With Me binge with planner icon from the foil bundle. And then finally some Love Island with a Netflix TV or Netflix laptop icon from the doodle sheet and a Lina design script. Moving on to Wednesday, I noted that my husband was in the office again with a laptop icon from the foil bundle and another script from Plans. I used a sleep mask icon from the foil bundle to note sleeping in with the same sleeping script from Make Plans. Noted more cuddle time. I think this was not in bed since I didn't use the bed sticker, with this Make Plans sticker and a Malik Cuddles custom script from Randy.plans. And then I used this tea or hot drink icon from the doodle sheet to note morning tea. I noted watching Station 19 with this firefighter hat icon from Pink Diamond PlanWithAds. I then noted some playtime with another icon from OK Plans. Then noted playing with stickers with a sticker sheet sticker from the foil bundle. Into the extender, I noted doing all the dishes with the sticker from Paper Candy Art. I used a YouTube play button from the foil bundle to note YouTube binged with a script from SBC. I noted that Malik had some daddy cuddles with this sticker from Make Plans and script from Medora BM Designs. Then I noted cooking dinner with this sticker from PlanWithAds and a cooked dinner script from Planner Hannah. So I made some mac and cheese. I also made some stewed chicken, so I used a pot icon from Paper Candy Art to note that too. I then used this TV icon from, what's it called, the foil bundle, and a Love Island script from Linda Design to note watching Love Island. I actually stopped watching Love Island, so you're not going to see it for all of February. On to Thursday, I noted my husband being in office again with another laptop doodle from SBC and a Jane office script from Make Plans. I then used an up early script from Planner Hannah and an alarm clock icon from the foil bundle to note waking up early. I used a teacup icon from Planner Hannah to note my morning cup of tea, and then I used this Make Plans sticker to note cuddling with Malik and the cuddle script from Planner Face. I then noted a Plan With Me binge with a planner icon from the doodle sheet. I noted watching SWAT with a TV icon from the doodle sheet, and then that I made my Tesco order with the grocery cart icon also from the doodle sheet. Next, I noted playtime, which I missed the script for, but I'm pretty sure it's to note playtime. We shall see if I'm wrong or not. With this baby feet icon from OK Plans. I then noted packing Malik's school bag with this sticker from Sweet Avis Paper. I then noted putting down all his name stickers onto his bottle and bag and stuff with this pencil icon from the doodle sheet. And then finally I noted playing with stickers with a sticky sheet sticker from the doodle sheet. To note that, on to Friday, I noted waking up early again with another alarm clock from the foil bundle and an up early script from Planner Hannah. I used this nail varnish icon from the doodle sheet to note getting ready. I then noted my husband was working from home with this house sticker from the foil bundle and a script from Make Plans. I used this car icon also from the foil bundle to note driving to our nursery for our first settle session. In the extender, this happened before we this happened before we left, but I just marked it in here. And I noted that the light kept shorting in our house with this stick with the planker girl fixing the light bulbs. I then used this sticker from Make Plans to note that it was Malik's first settle session, which was an hour at nursery. To note that, I then used this star icon from the foil bundle to note that he did super good at his first session. I then noted that he was jealous of the other kids who were trying to play with me with this crying sticker from Joy of Planning. I used this house sticker from the foil bundle to note that we went home after the hour. And then I noted cuddling him at home with the sticker from Make Plans and script also from Make Plans. Next, I noted that while we were gone, our bedroom furniture arrived with this Happy Meal box from the doodle sheet. I then noted watching Love Island with a TV icon from the foil bundle. I then noted that my husband unboxed the furniture and fixed what needed to be fixed, but I bought pre-made bedroom furniture like a wardrobe, chest of drawers and bedside tables. He just had to fix the handles and unbox them. Then noted a Plan With Me binge with a Lina Designs planner. Then I knew he'd playing with some stickers with a Jalen Paperco Starshine sticker. I noted a YouTube binge with a YouTube laptop icon from the doodle sheet and a script from Make Plans. And then I noted that we started to put away our clothes into our wardrobe and drawers with this folded laundry sticker from the doodle sheet. And then finally I noted making some scripts with this computer screen icon from the doodle sheet. On to Sunday, I used a love heart icon from the foil bundle to note that Malik woke up early with lots of energy. I used the sticker from Make Plans to note more cuddle time with Malik in bed with the script from Maddie.plans. I used a pillow icon from the foil bundle to note we then slept in. The sleeping script from Make Plans. I then noted doing some more dishes with the sticker from Planner Face, I think. And then noted making some breakfast with this loaf of bread icon from Paper and Milk. I noted my morning cup of tea with this Whimsy Plan sticker. Then I noted another Plan With Me binge with another Linda Designs planner. And then some Daddy Cuddles with this Make Plan sticker and Daddy Cuddles script from Adobe Image Designs. I used this washing machine icon from the foil bundle to note that I was figuring out the washing machine because I had never used it before, so I needed to figure out how it worked. I then used this this washing machine icon from the doodle sheet and a laundry script from the foil bundle to note doing my first load of laundry in the house. I then used this girl from Fox and Cactus to note drying our first load. Then I noted breaking up some of the boxes from the move with this box sticker from What's With Love. Then noted setting up my printer with this iMac sticker from, it's called Paper Candy Art. I then used this iPad icon from Planner Hannah to making more scripts. And then I noted more playtime with this baby feet icon from OK Plants. On to Sunday. It's so weird that I don't have a scene on the weekend, but yeah, on the top of Sunday I noted some cuddles with the sticker from Make Plans and script from Naturallyads. I then noted my Tesco delivery arrived with the PlanWithAds girl and a Tesco delivery script from Planner Hannah. I noted doing some pre-planning with a planner icon from the doodle sheet and a script from, I think it's from Ice Cream Joe. Then used this icon from Harriet Wright Designs, I think, to note doing my husband's hair. I noted then drawing the second load of laundry with the same Fox and Cactus sticker that I used on Saturday. I then noted Maddie cuddling with his dad with this Make Plan sticker and a script from Adobe Image Designs. I used a planner from Linda Designs to note Plan With Me binge, and then this box for Paper Candy Art to note that the ink for the printer had arrived. I then used this printer sticker from the Honeybee shop to note setting up my printer. Then I used the sticker from Sweet Avis Paper to note printing and cutting my scripts. Then I used this bath sticker from Glam Planner and a bath script from the foil bundle to note giving Malik a bath. I used this stationery cup icon from Planner Face to note making more scripts. I used this Whimsy Plan sticker to note filming a plan with me. And then I used this cutlery icon from SBC and a dinner script from Caress Press to note having a late dinner. I used this TV sticker from Pink Diamond Planner Co to note watching Love Island and After Sun. And then finally I noted watching the halftime show with this Gold Run and Cocoa sticker with Peyton laying in bed because I did watch it in bed. So that was the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it and comment down below what you thought of the spread. And I shall see you in the next one. Bye.